This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Geo caller tune. Let's dive right in. The easiest way to deactivate your Geo caller tune is by using the MyJio application. This method gives you direct control over your services. Alternatively, you can also send a simple SMS or contact customer care for assistance. Our goal is to help you successfully remove that tune quickly and efficiently, giving you back your standard ringtone. We'll cover each option in detail. To begin with the MyJio app, first open the application on your smartphone. Navigate to the Geo Tunes section, which is usually found within the menu or directly on the home screen. Once there, you will see your currently active caller tune displayed. Simply select the option to deactivate or remove the tune. Confirm your choice, and the service should be stopped almost instantly. It's a straightforward process taking just a few taps. If you prefer using SMS, it's incredibly simple. Just open your messaging application and compose a new message. Type the word STOP in capital letters. Send this message to the number 56789. You will then receive a confirmation message from Geo, indicating that your caller tune has been successfully deactivated. This method is perfect if you don't have internet access or prefer a quick text-based solution. It's very efficient. Should you encounter any issues with the app or SMS methods, don't hesitate to call Geo Customer Care. Their team can assist you directly with deactivation. Always check for a confirmation message after attempting to remove the tune, regardless of the method used. If you ever wish to reactivate a caller tune in the future, you can easily do so through the MyJio app again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.